I bet you didn't know that making a rich, creamy cheesecake at home could be this simple and satisfying. Most people think you need fancy equipment or years of baking experience to pull off a dessert like this. But I'm here to show you just how easy it can be, even if you're a total beginner in the kitchen. Imagine serving up a gorgeous homemade cheesecake to your friends and family, and watching their faces light up with surprise when you tell them you made it yourself. That's the magic of this recipe. It's approachable, foolproof, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started together. First, gather all your ingredients so you're ready to go. This will make the process smooth and stress-free. You'll need cream cheese, make sure it's at room temperature for the creamiest texture, granulated sugar to sweeten things up, a few eggs for structure, and a splash of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. And don't forget the graham crackers, which we'll use to make a buttery, crunchy crust that perfectly complements the creamy filling. Start by crushing those graham crackers into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed, or just pop them in a zip-top bag and crush them with a rolling pin. It's a great way to relieve some stress. Next, pour in some melted butter and mix until all the crumbs are evenly coated. The butter helps the crust hold together and adds a rich, delicious flavor. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan. Use the bottom of a glass or measuring cup to really pack it down, making sure the crust is even and reaches all the edges. Now let's move on to the filling. Beat the cream cheese in a large bowl until it's completely smooth and creamy with no lumps. This step is key for that silky cheesecake texture. Gradually add in the sugar, then the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, pour in the vanilla extract. Take your time here. Mixing slowly helps prevent too much air from getting into the batter, which can cause cracks. Keep mixing until everything is beautifully blended and the batter is luxuriously smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to make sure nothing is left behind. Now, pour this creamy mixture over your prepared crust, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. Place the pan in the oven, preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about an hour, but keep an eye on it. Every oven is a little different. Here's a helpful tip. To check if your cheesecake is done, gently give the pan a little jiggle. If the center wobbles just slightly, but the edges are set, it's ready to come out. Don't worry if it looks a bit underdone. The cheesecake will continue to set as it cools. Resist the urge to overbake. A little wobble in the center is exactly what you want for that creamy, dreamy texture. Once it's out of the oven, let your cheesecake cool at room temperature for about an hour. This helps prevent cracks and keeps the texture smooth. After it's cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can wait. This step is crucial. The flavors meld and the texture becomes perfectly set. The hardest part is waiting, but trust me, it's worth it. When you're ready to serve, get creative with your toppings. Fresh strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries are always a hit, or drizzle on a homemade fruit sauce or a little chocolate ganache for extra decadence. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've made a show-stopping, delicious homemade cheesecake that's sure to impress. Slice it up, share it with loved ones, and enjoy every creamy, dreamy bite. Happy baking!